Sawa ka na ba sa luma mong phone case at gusto mo naman ng bago tapos yung something personalized pa? What's up mga loli? Today tara samahan nyo ako as we check out this awesome new spot sa second floor ng SM City Clark where you can design and create your very own customized phone case. Yes, you heard that right. Pwede ka mag-print ng phone case na ikaw mismo ang nag-design. And here's the best part. Super dali lang nitong gawin in just 4 easy steps. May personalized phone case ka na. Una, piliin mo lang yung phone model mo. Pwede yung Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Vivo, and many more. Next, scan the QR code to upload your photo. Pwede kang gumamit ng favorite pic mo, artwork, or kahit yung meme, basta ikaw yung bahala. Then edit and resize it on their interface para swak na swak ang design. Lastly, pili ka ng payment method. Pwede yung cash or GCash. Pero ako ay choose cash, and by the way, 500 pesos nga pala ang isang phone case. And after about 3 minutes, ready for pickup na agad ang personalized case mo. Ang bilis, diba? No hassle, no long wait, instant satisfaction. Perfect ito for gifts or matching couples, o kaya naman if you just want to flex your unique vibe. By the way, you can visit them at any of these branches. So kung gusto mo na rin i-level up ang phone game mo with your own creativity and style, visit KCPH now. Yun lang, thanks for watching, like, share, and follow for more.